Welcome back to Crypto VIP Lobby. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to open a spot trading position on Binance. We'll also cover how to get USDT, the most important stablecoin you need for trading, and some pro tips for risk management. If you're new to trading, this guide is for you. So let's dive right in. Before you can trade, you'll usually need USDT, Tether. USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, which means 1 USDT is always about 1 USD. On Binance, most cryptocurrencies are traded against USDT, so it's like your base currency for trading. Here are 3 main ways to get USDT. Buy with fiat, credit card, or bank transfer. Go to the Buy Crypto section. Select USDT. Enter how much in your local currency, confirm payment, and USDT is instantly added to your wallet. P2P trading, peer-to-peer. Binance lets you buy USDT directly from other users with local payment methods, like bank transfer, PayPal, or mobile wallets. Always choose verified merchants with high ratings to avoid scams. Deposit from another wallet. If you already own USDT on another platform, copy your Binance USDT deposit address and transfer it in. Be very careful to select the right blockchain network, ERC20, TRC20, or BNB chain. Using the wrong one could mean losing your funds. Once you've got USDT in your wallet, you're ready to trade. Go to the Trade tab and select Spot. Here you'll see the trading interface, the chart, the order book, and the order panel. The key thing is choosing the right trading pair. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin with USDT, type in BTC USDT. Always double-check the pair before placing an order. Binance gives you different order types. Market order, buys or sells instantly at the current price. Simple for beginners, but can be risky during big moves. Limit order. You set your own price. For example, if Bitcoin is $27,000 and you want to buy at $26,800, you set a limit order. It only executes if the price drops. Stop limit. Useful for stop-loss protection. Example, if BTC falls to $26,500, automatically sell to limit your loss. OCO, one cancels the other. Combines take profit and stop loss in one order. This is powerful for automation and discipline. Let's place a simple example. Suppose I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Select Market Order. Enter 100 USDT. Click Buy BTC. Done. The order is instantly filled, and now I own Bitcoin. To sell later, switch to the Sell tab. Enter the amount of BTC you want to sell and confirm. Now, trading is not just clicking buy and sell. You need risk management, position size. Never invest all your money in one trade. Stop loss. Always decide the maximum loss you're willing to take. Example, buy at $27,000. Stop loss at $26,500. Take profit. Lock in profits at your target, maybe $28,000. Liquidity. Stick to top coins with high trading volume. Timing. Avoid buying after sudden pumps. Wait for retracements or strong support levels. The safest way is to use OCO orders, which set both stop loss and take profit together, so you're protected automatically. Binance charges just 0.1% per trade, one of the lowest in the industry. You can cut it even more if you pay fees with BNB, Binance's native token. For security, enable two-factor authentication and never keep all your crypto on the exchange. Use a hardware wallet for long-term holdings. And that's how you get USDT and open a spot trading position on Binance. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto VIP Lobby for more crypto tutorials and trading insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.